You and us are doing something crazy and no one's really aware of that. Let's talk about co-production. All right, my name is Manuel and today I want to talk about a bit of the research side on additive manufacturing with you. Good news first, we are now an officially research member of the RWTH campus and the ACAM. We're going to come to that later. First of all, RWTH is one of the leading major German universities for engineering. And Garrett is going to explain you in a little video what ACAM is.
ACAM stands for Aachen Center for Additive Manufacturing. What we do is facilitate research partners from the university to transfer knowledge into industry. We are focusing on additive manufacturing and we have roughly about more than 100 researchers here in Aachen that are dedicated to research in additive manufacturing. And what we do is shape their knowledge to be transferred into industry. That is our task as a network. And how we do that is by establishing an industry community with industry partners, members that participate in consortium projects or other projects to gain from that knowledge we have here at the university now.
So basically these guys and all the others researchers around the world are doing all the work and all the crazy research behind the scenes, which is primarily the reason why the technology of additive manufacturing is evolving so fast. And as you can see, we've been invited to their annual meeting, which took place in front of one of Germany's most beautiful buildings, as you can see. Jokes aside, it was crazy to see for us how really far the research side on additive manufacturing already is. And if you want to know more about the work of ACAM, definitely check out the links in the description. But let's get to the question, why on earth we are working with them? Well, from an academic side, our project of Enable 3D and the fact that customers start printing accessories is kind of interesting, because in literature this is known as co-production, basically what you are doing all the time already. And now we are trying to research on that and do a bit of investigation to find out more about that together with the guys from ACAM. So, what is co-production? Basically, in the past, co-production was not existing except for frozen pizzas, where you are doing the last part of the production. But from the tool perspective, it basically was like this. In a traditional way, you bought the product, the tools, and an accessory was delivered in the packaging. And in that case, the company owned 100% of the value chain and all pieces were produced by the company and the tool brand. In our scenario now with Enable 3D, this changes a bit, because now you are basically doing a part of the production. As you can see here, it can be a wall holder, it can be a table stand, like in that case, but the accessory is not included in the value chain of the manufacturer anymore, but the last part of the production is done on your side. And basically this is what co-production is and what we want to further investigate. So in a couple of weeks we're going to be publishing our white paper in cooperation with them. If you want to check it out, if you want to dig deeper into it, if you are interested in it, feel free to follow us on Instagram. There probably we're going to be announcing the release and where you can find it and download it for free. And yeah, if you want to get deeper in the work of ACAM and want to have a look on the cutting edge research side of additive manufacturing, definitely check out their homepage. And if you want to get to know more about Enable 3D and us, definitely like and subscribe and watch a couple of different videos from us.